everyone, welcome back to my new vlog of NG Bibs. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what my unboxing of this one. So this kind of we're gonna be unboxing, and this shop that I went and bought this one is the name is Diamante. Diamante. So Diamante means diamond. Ang ngalan sa shop. So Diamante, diamond shop in English. But in Italiano is Diamante. Before I'm gonna be show you what is inside of this one is, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me and write me a message this video below. Okay, so let's open this one. So they put a red ribbon over here. Ayan, there you go. And charan! There you go. What is this one? This is a ring. No, because my engagement ring is not fit anymore. So my husband giving me a gift, a Christmas gift, to have a partner my wedding ring, which is, yeah, as you can see, guys, it's only one ring I have here. It's my wedding ring. I have actually engagement ring, but it's not fit anymore. And then now my husband giving me a gift, and I'm the one who decided to choose the design and what I like. So I spend this one as his gift. So but this model is in Italiano Morilato. So this is a Morilato model, this kind of ring, but the ring I choose is a gold argento in Italiano. Silver, gold silver in English, if I'm correct. So it's like oro argento, so in English is um a gold silver. So right. So let's see, I'm gonna show you this one. So this is the one, and it's writing here the model of this kind of jewelry is, the name of the jewelry is Morilato, that came from Venezia, 1939, 1930, yeah, 1930. So the model, guys, the name of this jewelry. So but I choose a gold silver, which is in Italiano is oro argento. So I'm gonna show you. This is the one I choose, and I love this one so much. In simple design. Sorry, I speak Italiano. Simple design, and that the shop is Diamante, guys, the name of the shop, that where I bought this kind of ring, Diamante, which is diamond shop. So this is a Morilato jewelry model, and this came from Venezia. It was 1930, and then I choose a ring, gold silver. So there you go, we have here, as you can see. Oh, baliktad. And there you go. So this is the one I choose because I love to choose this one also. It's a simple. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. So this one is not gonna be fit the color. Nothing to change the color. So yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna put here. Could like this. So I have a partner already for my wedding ring. So once again, this is a gift from my husband, which is I love so much. I can also put like this. Yeah, and then we have also, I have a scontrino here, which is receipt, scontrino receipt. Yeah, because this ring is there is a warranty for 2 years. So if ever something happened for my ring, or have a problem with my ring, I can do return, and they will change it. So I can change the ring if there's something happen for my ring. So we have also for cleaning. This is for cleaning for my ring. This is it's like a pin cleaning, but this is like to brush this kind of silver, and then brush this one. But I will do like this. So this is like a paintbrush. I can just return, or need to move and move a little bit using into circle. I'm gonna be cleaning, so you give me this one for cleaning for my ring. I can clean on my own. So yeah, so this is what I'm gonna unboxing, and this is my husband gift, my dear friends. My husband gave for my Christmas gift, to have, just to have a partner for my wedding ring, because it's so sad my wedding ring is alone on my left side of my finger. So that's why she gave me. Actually, I wanted to choose um what we call that, I wanted to choose a stainless, in Italiano kay acciaio. Acciaio inossidabile. In English is English, in Italiano is acciaio inossidabile. In English is stainless. But I chose this um gold, gold silver, because this is for the partner for my wedding ring over here. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. See you in the next episode vlog of MJB. Bye bye.